I love that song. It's so pretty. I had a lot of requests on Twitter and Facebook and MySpace, all those ones. Everybody wanted to hear that song, so I put it in the set. I love that song. Satan is actually the first song I picked that I didn't write for my album All Ever Wanted, so it's a very special song. But anyway, before we do this next song, like I said, I have these amazing musicians behind me, and they don't get as much credit as they deserve, so please give it up for them. Start out here. This is Jim. Please give it up for Jim, please. All right, and back here once again, big boy. This is Amen. Give it up for him. And right back there, that's DJ Flo. Give it up for Rick, DJ Flo. I'm still not quite cool enough to know DJ, so. Oh my God, you're so pretty. Who do you want to thank?
I would like to thank the Academy for voting me and everyone around the world.
Miss Universe?
The Miss Universe Committee. I don't even know what they're called.